Hello everybody, my name's Ari. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my pet bird Lucy. This is part 2 of another video which I made a few days ago. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. This is my pet bird. I love her so much. Hope you guys love her too. And I am planning to buy her a boyfriend so that she can lay eggs and she will give birth, and then technically she won't give birth because birds lay eggs. So what am I saying? Anyways, so yeah, she loves eating like beans and stuff, and one day she would made us a big mess when she was eating it, and she never let go of the plate. She just kept on eating and eating and eating and eating and eating and eating and eating. So yeah, I don't know what is up with her. She's weird. And also the weird thing is she has a sharp beak, and apparently I have a classmate named Daniel, and he has a bird as well. But his bird hangs out like in a cage outside his house, but mine usually just stays inside the house. So yeah, she's cute, adorable. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to subscribe.